Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Amit Patel and you are watching the show Musings with Software Engineers. I'm a React developer. I experience of 9 months. My company switched my technical from React to Angular and always do make other employees switch technology frequently according to the projects. How? See, company is in the business and you have to understand the business of the company if you want to grow. Okay, you are saying that you know React, now you don't want to do Angular. React and Angular are almost similar things. Okay, there is a little bit of difference because Angular is the granddaddy. Okay, and Angular is much more organized. If you think about Angular JavaScript, look at LinkedIn and go and search for mean stack. Mean stack stands for Angular, correct? And MERN stack, MERN, stands for React. Rest all the other technologies are same in these two stacks. Okay, you will find that mean stack has a lot more jobs than MERN stack. So you should thank your company that it is telling you to learn Angular JS, because if you learn Angular JS, then you will become you will have more opportunities to look for if you don't like this company. Okay, see, understand this thing. Company is paying you money for the time to do the work that they want you to do. You are not a student anymore. You are not you are, please understand. Do you celebrate Labor Day? On 1st May we celebrate Labor Day across India. Okay, even engineers celebrate in a Labor Day. So Labor Day is what? Companies give you a salary, you are a labor, you are a bonded labor in the company. So you have to do what the company wants you to do. If you say, oh, I am not going to do what this company wants you to do, then company will say, okay, fine, you go home, we will find somebody who is ready to do it. And just imagine, there are so many people who are unemployed and there are so many people who don't have a job. So you should be lucky that you have a job and you are getting something to do, which your company is telling you to do. Okay, anybody will be there to replace you. You just have 9 months of experience. You are not like Sundar Pichai. 4 or 5 companies were targeting Sundar Pichai when he was very senior. 4 or 5 Twitter was trying to get him as a CEO. There were other top companies, top product companies, who were trying to get Sundar Pichai as a CEO because of something that he was doing, correct? Okay, and then Google realized this and Google made him their own CEO. And there was a reason for making him the CEO, because there were other companies which were targeting Sundar Pichai and they didn't want Sundar to go out. Okay, so unless you become a Sundar Pichai, and to become a Sundar Pichai you have to first think about the company you are working for. See, the easiest way for success in any job is this: you start thinking about the profitability of your company. Okay, and automatically you will be a more valuable employee within the company. You will be 101 times valuable within the company. Automatically your company will start promoting you, which you will be amazed at the number of promotions you will get. But you have to do what the company says you have to do. Okay, and see, you are an engineer. Okay, you have spent so many years learning different programming languages. If your company says you have to learn a new language, you have to just learn it. Okay, in 2008 I stopped programming. In 2013 my boss came up to me and he said, Amit, we are going to we I need your help, and I want you to help me to build one particular framework which we need for a prototype. Okay, I had left programming in 2008, and because my boss said, I set up a time, and I was not even programming in the programming language which I was a master of, which was Visual Basic. I had to build this in C sharp. So I had to learn C sharp. I had to learn this new thing, totally new thing, WCF. Okay, everything new, just to build this prototype. And this prototype was so important, we were going to launch it in one of our user conferences. User conference is a place where we call all the users to attend this conference. It used to be a 3-day event in the US for my company, and we used to call all our users and we used to launch new products in that. So we wanted to showcase this prototype, and I myself and my boss, we both were working on this. So 2008 to 2013, 5 years no programming. I sat down 1 month, I built that prototype along with him, and we launched it in the users conference. Okay, so don't say no to these are opportunities. These are opportunities. Companies coming and telling you, look, I have an idea for your next promotion, but you just do this much. Okay, that is an opportunity. Grab that opportunity with your two hands. Never say no to your manager, never say no to your company, because they are the people who are going to give you an appraisal. Okay, your colleagues are not going to give you an appraisal. It does not matter how good or bad person you are. If you don't do the project really well, if you don't deliver the project, then it is not going to work out. Okay, so understand this, Rasik. I hope you understand that. Thank you very much. Live starts every Thursday, 9:05 p.m. Make sure you check out my program, A Players. You can enroll into A Players. It will help. For experienced people, this is a must if you want to grow within your company. Next time, certainly, I will take up your questions. Thank you very much.